Hi guys, welcome back to the Love Luxury YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of an amazing photo shoot that we did for some extra special pieces that came in here at Love Luxury. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment. So about a week ago, a client came in. She had a suite of jewellery that she wanted to sell. She showed me the images of the jewellery suite, which was a necklace and some matching earrings. And when I saw them, I knew that I would have to do something very, very special and a little bit above and beyond what we usually do here at Love Luxury. Basically, I had 4 days to come up with a massive plan before she brought them to us from the south of France, which was no mean feat. I was actually really sick. I was in bed doing most of the organising. I managed to get it done, but I'm going to talk you through step by step how we did that. The first thing that I had to organise was a location, and I'd been wanting to work with Arx for a really long time. So I sent an email off, and Emma from our team also contacted them, and we managed to get the deal done. We did the collaboration. They were happy to take part in the collaboration, and it just worked out perfectly. Next up, I had to find some models, and as it turned out, the customer had a second suite that she was more than happy for us to photograph. So it worked really well. We had a balance of 2 pieces, and I had to find 2 models to model these suites of jewellery. So I was on my way back from a photo shoot myself. I was having my photograph taken with a bag down the road from here, and I spotted this very beautiful young lady across the road, and I sprinted across the road and asked her if she wanted to take part. Her name's Anastasia, and she was more than happy to be one of the models. So I was set. I had my brunette model, and in my mind I wanted to have a blonde. So I was on the hunt for a blonde model who was around about the same height as Anastasia, and it was not easy. Nobody was coming forward. I put some ads up on our social medias, and nobody in the UK was really coming forward and willing to do the job. And then out of nowhere, someone that I'd already met a few weeks before came forward and said that she would be happy to do it, and it just worked out perfectly. She's tall, she's blonde, and her name is Marina, and she was our second model for the shoot. It just so happened that Marina, our beautiful blonde model, actually works at a salon down the road, which is a stone's throw from the gallery and ourselves here at Love Luxury, called RH London. So then I had to find them dresses that would be fitting of these amazing jewelleries, the models and the art gallery. And I put my thinking cap on, and I did some Google searches, and I came across a company called One Night Stand. Now this is a dress loan company, so you hire the dresses from them. They have got every dress you could ever imagine: gold, silver, glittery, not glittery, short, long, strappy, not strappy, every colour under the sun, literally a dress for every occasion. So both models went to One Night Stand separately, and you'll see that there's some footage of me there with Marina trying on dresses at One Night Stand, and then Anastasia had to make her way there on the morning of the shoot, cutting it really fine to try the dresses on that we'd picked out for her. Now everything had come together, everything had slotted into place, all the pieces of the puzzles were there. We came to the morning of the shoot.
My name is Jess, and I work for One Night Stand. Today joining us we've got Anastasia, who's getting ready to go for a jewellery photo shoot. So Anastasia, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. So the type of thing we're going to be looking for is something to show off the jewellery.
Yes.
Off the shoulder is going to sit
way better
with the jewellery. Yes.
I love this one.
And I think the jewellery, it's going to pick up the colours in here quite well.
Beautiful.
Really lovely on you.
Wow. Beautiful.
And it's a great dress to dance in because you've got this lovely skirt here at the bottom.
It took a while for Anastasia to find the dress that would fit her and be perfect for the shoot, but when she did, she then headed over to RH London to get her hair done with Marina. Once they were all glammed up and looking absolutely stunning, they made their way to us here at Love Luxury with the dresses, and then we made our way from Love Luxury on Beauchamp Place in Knightsbridge round the corner with the camera equipment and the team to Arx Gallery.
Hi guys, welcome.
Thank you so much. So I've been to Arx before and it's always been an open day. When we went to shoot this video, it was a closed day, and it was so lovely to walk around the art gallery and see Rainie's artwork on the walls with nobody to interrupt us. So the models are just getting dressed and putting their beautiful dresses on that we've got on loan from One Night Stand, and in the meantime I'm just going to be cleaning the backs of the earrings so that everything's sanitary for the models. And we've got these amazing pieces here that we're promoting today. So as you can see, this is a fancy pear cut diamond and white diamond necklace, absolutely stunning with matching earrings. And then this one is emerald and diamond sweets. It's just absolutely beautiful. Both pieces are stunning. So ladies, this is the jewellery that you're going to be wearing today, and you're going to be swapping them anyway, so we'll do like a couple of shots with each set on and then we'll change them over. I'll clean the backs obviously. Okay, perfect. Right, so if you can put the earrings on, maybe we can put this one on you. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. Okay, so we've got a Constance to go in alligator. This is in Bordeaux, I believe. I'm winging it here because I'm a bit stressed. And then we've got a Mini Kelly in Rouge Cellier. There. Then we've got another Mini Kelly in black. And then we've got another Mini Kelly, and this time it's in ostrich. So we just wanted to showcase some of the best bags we've got at Love Luxury, but also wanted them to go with the outfits that the ladies are wearing. This one is a Birkin 25 crocodile with gold hardware. Can I just see you holding that for a second? Perfect. Okay, gorgeous. Once we'd decided which was the best bag to wear with the right dress and jewellery, we started shooting. Okay guys, I think we're going to move on round the gallery now, but Emma, I'm thinking, because of time frame, should we get the ladies to change into the other dresses and then we'll swap the jewellery pieces? We have got some amazing shots, trust me. Okay, I'm going to give Marina this Vert Rousseau, and this is going to be to go with the emerald suite that she's wearing because the green goes nicely together. And then I'm going to give Anastasia this Constance. So the reason I've gone for that is because of the tones, with the yellow tone with the necklace and then the tone of the dress with the handbag. We've just come upstairs into the gallery and we're trying to get some shots with all of the other pieces of art that are here as well. It's coming to the end now, everybody's getting a little bit tired, so we need to wrap up quite quickly, so we need to get these shots done now. When everybody had finished, the girls had tried on their ladies had tried on their different dresses and matched them with the jewelleries, and each model had swapped the jewellery and worn their different dresses and worn the different handbags as well. We rounded up the day. As a memento for the day, we all had our photograph taken in the gallery to just say, you know, let's remember this moment for a while yet.
It's a great day, talking to Keish, the main man.
Stop it.
Yeah, we had a great conversation. I've been enjoying the content, guys, and well done to everybody today. Thank you for the models, my lovely wife, Emma, Igor, my brother Yas over here.
I felt overwhelmed with pride of the whole team and that everything had slotted together so well. You know, it wasn't easy, it was quite rushed, and we managed to pull something off that looked professional, editorial, and we managed to get exactly what we wanted to do, which was to achieve a photo shoot for the jewellery, promote the dresses, promote the art gallery, and also promote our handbags. So if in the future you'd like to see some more behind the scenes of our photo shoots and how we work, drop me a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining us here at Love Luxury today, and we really do hope that you enjoyed this behind the scenes take on this amazing photo shoot that we did. A massive thank you to Arx London Gallery, to One Night Stand, to Love Luxury for the bags, and to RH London for the hair, and also to our beautiful, stunning models. But most of all, thank you to our customer for the loan of the amazing jewellery. And if you're interested, don't forget that everything you see on these videos is available to purchase here at Love Luxury. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like and comment.